is for
Hi
us.
viewers, I come up with a new informative video. Hope this video will help you out a lot and increase your knowledge whenever you working on the machines who lost the power while working. I will also show you what appeared at monitoring screen when this problem occurred. Permanent warning is coming. So it's easy for us. We will see which type of error is coming. So this one is our monitoring system. So we will go in the main menu and we'll see this is a diagnostic, and this was a machine error. I enter and machine error code is a fault, 0 faults, and go back next to engine error. Here we can see one error, and that error is a 322. Again press enter. This is the giving injector circuit cylinder 1. So this one is the error. Okay, so I have to now go back. This one enter. This is the diagnostic of the transmissions. No error this types. So viewers, we have seen this machine is telling us through this monitoring system we have a problem in the injector number 1. There, down. No resistance.
No resistance.
Second one. Yeah.
Second one, number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Check it out.
0.7.
Put it remain here. Okay. Third one.
Third one, 0.8.
And 6. Your eyes is also have gone now.
Fourth one,
Put together.
number 4.
In your one hand, put together.
Point 7.
Five.
Number 5. Number 6.
Again number 1.
Again number 1.
You can both can check.
No. No
That's
resistance.
this is one near to this go. Put both together. Number 1. Number 2. No. Okay.
तो वो आप कंट्रीब्यूशन भेजिए ना मैं कल का कि आज आ जाऊँगा वो आई विल सी here. Is it possible? I mean, there is wind is blowing in.
Blowing what?
Maybe dust will go inside.
Now the check current, no current.
इधर here, here, here.
Too much hot. I cannot hold it for.
No, no. Okay, take. Earning.
YouTube ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ
हाँ.
ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਸ਼ਮ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਸਾਡਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਪਾਇਆ
बनाओ ना.
Okay, Baba.
What is this?
Connector.
Show me.
Who is baby?
Give me this one. You take picture of this one.
Yes, it's there.
Okay.
Now head. Really. This one now head.
Okay. Clean it.
Yes. Where is this? This is
So this is this one is not a new injector, but it's only replaced its coils. This magnet coils changed of this injectors. Now we are going to fix it back, and first I want to check its resistance, how much its resistance. So let's see. Watching this video, please like and share this video to your friends, and don't forget subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment box. Thanks.